I gave myself 48 hours to answer one single question. Can a complete beginner, with absolutely zero skills, actually make money using AI? So I picked the 3 most talked about AI side hustles on the internet right now. One of them looked super easy, one looked almost impossible, and one of them shocked me completely. Here's what actually happens when you try to make money using AI in just 48 hours. Day 1, 7:10 a.m. The challenge begins. I opened my laptop with one single rule. I'm only allowed to use AI tools. No filming experience, no microphone, no special skills. Just AI side hustle number 1 looked like the easiest place to start. An AI thumbnail service. People all over the internet claim you can make serious money selling YouTube thumbnails that are generated with AI. So, I wanted to see if a complete beginner like me could create a thumbnail that actually looks professional and, most importantly, clickable. After looking at dozens and dozens of examples, I tested out 2 main tools, Kittl and Leonardo AI. I typed in a really simple prompt, and boom! A full professional-looking thumbnail appeared on my screen. I mean, it wasn't perfect, but it was surprisingly good for a first attempt. So, the big question is, can this actually make money? I jumped over to Fiverr to check. Okay, guess what? Okay, there are total beginners selling these exact AI-generated thumbnails for anywhere from $5 to $20 each. And they're getting orders. A lot of orders. Okay? So, the result? This side hustle definitely works, but there's a catch. Your thumbnails have to look better than the competition. It's a crowded space. Now, let's move on to side hustle number 2, and this one surprised me even more. This is the one everyone is talking about. Creating full YouTube videos using only AI. So, I tested HeyGen for the AI avatar. Used Claude for writing the script, and then Runway ML for the visuals. And honestly, I did not expect what happened next. Within just a few minutes, the AI created a complete spokesperson video. It was wild. You literally just choose the voice you want, pick the avatar, select a style, and it just works. It puts everything together for you. But can someone really make money with this? But probably not in the way you're thinking. The real money isn't from building a YouTube channel from scratch. It's from selling these videos directly to businesses. I looked on Fiverr again, and people are buying these AI spokesperson videos for $20 to $70 a pop, and the AI is doing 90% of the work. The only problem with this side hustle is that the competition is increasing really, really fast. Still, it's one of the easiest AI services a beginner can start offering right now. Okay, side hustle number 3. Now this one. I honestly thought this was going to be the hardest by a long shot. Building websites. It used to take days, sometimes even weeks of coding and design. But AI has completely changed the game. I opened up a tool called durable.co. I entered a fake business name. I clicked the generate button, and a full, beautiful, ready-to-publish website appeared in about 60 seconds. I'm not kidding. I actually had to stop for a moment and just stare at the screen because this felt like cheating. It was too easy. Can this make money? Oh, absolutely. On Fiverr, people are selling AI-generated websites for $50 to $150. And the best part is, you can deliver the final product within minutes, not days. Out of all 3 side hustles I tested, this was the one that impressed me the most. So, after 48 hours of testing all 3 of these side hustles, here's what I found. Thumbnail creation is easy, it's quick, and it's perfect for total beginners who want to get their feet wet. AI video creation is incredibly powerful, but finding clients and standing out takes a bit more time and effort. And AI website building is, by far, the most profitable and the fastest to deliver. But here's the biggest lesson I learned from this whole experiment. AI doesn't make money for you. It just makes everything faster. You still need to know what service to offer and how to find people who will pay for it. AI is a tool, not a magic money machine. So, who's the winner? What's the best side hustle for a beginner? If you're a total beginner and you want the fastest possible results, I'd say start with AI website building. It's simple, it's high-paying, and clients actually want and need it right now. But if you prefer something more creative, then AI thumbnails are a great way to start your journey. And if you're thinking long-term and you want something that's scalable, then AI video creation is the clear long-term winner. So, here's a simple action plan for how you can start. Step 1. Pick one side hustle. Don't try to do all 3. Just pick one. Step 2. Spend the next 48 hours just learning the main AI tool for that hustle. Step 3. Create 3 sample projects to build your portfolio. Step 4. Upload those samples to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and even create a TikTok to showcase your work. Step 5. This is key. Offer your first job for free or for a very low price to get a review and some social proof. Step 6. Start charging what you're worth. This is exactly how beginners start winning in the new AI era. If you want me to test more AI side hustles, or if you want a full step-by-step tutorial on any of the tools I mentioned today, let me know in the comments below. Your idea might just become my next video. This is Wealth Hustle, helping you stay ahead of the future. Thanks for watching.